Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I would like to all of in my channel with a new video. Today we are going to discuss about one apps. You will find the the apps in Play Store. You need to search Amateur Radio Toolkit. You will also find some other similar apps. Using the similar apps, you can also design, calculate, measure the dipole, vertical antenna, ground plane antenna, inverted. If I open the apps, then you can see the coordinate calculator, grid calculator, distance. There is unit converter. From here you can see that if I put one data, this is already set meter to meter. If I want to convert this meter to inch, then you can see easily I can convert this millimeter also easily. It is the other option: liquid, vertical, weight, time, etc. Then I can open the antenna part. There is a lot of option: dipole, vertical, already said, cubical antenna. If I there is a you need to input the frequency, then automatically it will show the result, total length, the lemon length. If I input the amateur band in VHF 144 megahertz, automatically you can see the total length of the antenna. Dipole antenna part A is 0.99931 meter and element B is 4.4965. Easily I can convert. Here you can also convert other in centimeter, decimal meter, kilometer, etc. Then if I go to the vertical antenna, I just need to now, if I input the amateur radio band in HF 435, then easily you can see the antenna vertical length of A is 0.2. Then if I input in cubical quad antenna, age of 440, then easily we can see the cubical antenna. There is a three part: reflector, driving element, and director. Easily you can see what is the measurement. Reflector is 1.7 for 440 megahertz in UHF band. Driving element 0.174, spacing reflector 0.164 millimeter, and the rest of the five director 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This you can also convert this from millimeters, centimeter, decimeter, meter, kilometers, feet, and inch. Then if I go to the inverted antenna in frequency, if I input the SBR, that means short business radio, in 245, then easily you can see there is the inverted V length, minimum height B and minimum spread C. Ground plane antenna also 174 in 75 in VHF frequency band. These are the velocity factor, vertical monopole A, radial B, and wavelength. So easily you can And then there is another antenna, the J-pole antenna, the easiest DUI antenna for amateur radio operator or ham enthusiast. Easily they can build at home for beginning their ham operator journey. If I input for 33 megahertz, easily you can see the long section A show 0.49563, short section B, so and feed point C. There will be the coax connection through the connector and spacing. That's mean the section A and B, and D is the spacing. And there is some QR codes. You can easily already 96 QR codes. Okay. The common is here you most of the time use QTS. What is your position in electricity? Amateur operator use when you are doing QSO, someone is calling what is your QSO QTS, then you will need to say the latitude and longitude, and the 73 codes are okay, and RST code here. RST means radiability, strength and tone. There's the VSWR. Like if I input to insert radio power loss forward for them, the full result will be input. Then there is the 3 element Yagi antenna, like again 155, the 3 element ABC, the GS Yagi antenna. Then there is also 7 element like 246. Oh, sorry, 246 in commercial or business radio band. And this reflector driver element are the rest of the reflector is a driven element B and director is G and C spacing D. There is also a blend frequency. You can use frequency 244 wavelength. Air core inductor functions same coil diameter. You need to for the make the DI antenna for your base station. Low pass filters, high pass filter, Ohms calculator, reactance, voltage. There is many other part. The decimal, hexadecimal, binary, dB for audio quality calculation or output from the audio or speaker in your home base station. If you add external mic, like 2, 3, all of the resistors in parallel, the series parallel. You can, if you are a amateur operator, already you know all of this. Also, who don't know, they can also get benefit from my this tutorial amateur radio toolkit apps. use Morse code. This is very important. If you are able to read Morse code or decode, that will be the actual achievement to become a radio operator or enthusiast. So this is the coaxial cable. Sometimes in two director or coaxial cable like 140 centimeter, inner 5, direct 5. Already you can see there is the measurement. So you just need to input the data and easily you can convert from one unit to another unit. Already I said feet, inch, meter, kilometer, meter. Okay. So today already and there is last one, the NATO phonetic alphabet. Most of the time is very familiar in operator conversation. A for alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, G for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, I for Yankee, Z for Julo. So from all of this NATO phonetic alphabet, amateur operator get their call sign. It varies from one amateur operator. This is the worldwide unique call sign. After getting the call sign, if you register your call sign in qrz.com, this is the International Amateur Operator Call Sign Database. So I request all of the amateur radio operator who got call sign, kindly register your call sign in qrz.com so you can join the world amateur radio operator community. So thanks for all of you for seeing my video. Thank you.